You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 10137 over 5000. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Rearrange the coefficients. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 1800. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 10137 over 5000.